Yeah, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Today we're riding the Ranger. So yeah, it's definitely finna rain. They literally canceled shotgun practice because of the rain, which is really aggravating, not gonna lie. But we're back on the Ranger. I feel like I ain't made a video on this thing in so long. So yeah, we're finna ride it. It's just started raining a little bit. I just got back from church. I guess we'll ride back to the creek real quick and see what it's looking like. The only thing that's got to get fixed on this now is the toggle switch right there for forward drive, so it'll go in and out of forward drive. That switch is broken, it don't work, so it's stuck in dual drive right now. The creek's probably gonna get higher than what it's at right now. I mean, right now it already got a little higher than it was. I mean, it's not crazy higher or nothing. Look at it. Y'all, I'm recording this on my phone because my GoPro needed to charge. So y'all let me know about the quality if y'all like this. I mean, it's not really like I can record with this on the Honda good, so I'm not gonna do it on the four-wheeler or nothing. But I need y'all to kill the videos and get the channel back booming real bad. Like, share with a friend, like y'all. My bad, y'all. I didn't mean to end it. Something popped up on my storage or something. I had to delete a couple of things. But y'all get the videos back booming because we're trying to hit 20K. Man, I really want to get some new wheels and tires on the Ranger. Not Ranger, four-wheeler on the Ranger. I don't really know what I'm thinking to get on them. I want either 29.5 Assassinators. If I get them, I'm not buying them brand new because they're expensive as freak brand new. So I'm gonna just get Marketplace or either some 33x20s off Marketplace, Moto Havocs or Big ATs. If not, I've been looking at a bunch of other tires I don't really see a lot of people running that I might run. Or I might just get some OG Outlaw ones on the crush lock. I feel like that'd be hard. I mean, that's probably what I'm gonna do. I found something on sale for a good price along with crush locks. I can get them for like, I think like $1,200 brand new. I need to get tires for my four-wheeler, and after that, I think I might be getting a truck soon, so I gotta get... Alright, y'all, I had to clear up more storage on here. Next time before I record on this, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and handle the storage. I don't want to go through this fast because when water splashes up, it always makes the belt slip. But like I was saying, once I get tires, I gotta save more money because I need to get an amplifier for my subs. I'm probably gonna get a tour amp. If y'all don't know what that is. That's what my buddy that had the subs before me was running, so he said that's the best brand in his opinion, so I'm definitely gonna get one. I gotta price them. So I gotta save money for that. And then after we get the four-wheeler right, I guess a truck build, I don't know. I really want to get a truck build and get the YouTube popping and get another four-wheeler, either a side-by-side or something else that we can build. So we'll have more fun than just riding around. This road right here is pretty muddy. It always gets muddy. This right here will make the Ranger slide a bit. This is the worst spot right up here. There's rain going on my face. I don't really want to get in this rut right here on the edge. It looks like I'm gonna have to. This thing has a lot more power than the mule. That's one thing you can definitely notice. Look at the sky, it's all cloudy. This speaker is pretty good too. It's not even that expensive. It's a Pro Armor. It's really loud. You can hear it really good on here. Considering how loud the Ranger is, you can hear it good. I like it. I prefer to ride this over the mule now, out of this fix, and use that speaker. Dang, it's bumpy out here. We got the boat fixed. We just got it back. All that was wrong with it was batteries, and those are them expensive batteries. I forgot. I think they like recharge themselves or something when it's turned off. So you had to replace them. It was like $800. I really need to wash this thing. Let me show you how it is. Put the part back on. It ain't been washed in a while. I'm gonna probably have a wash day where I wash this, my 4-wheeler, the mule, and Alien's 4-wheeler one day after school this week when it ain't raining. But like, look, you can see the diff's fun and all that, and it's the toggle switch. We know that. So yeah, peace out. Thank y'all for watching. I enjoyed making this short little video for y'all. See y'all on the next.